we're moving away from that, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm telling you that this is not good for Simi Sola. Now, Nigerian singer Simi is in backlash, and let me tell you the reason why. Just last week, we spoke about Simi, who came out with a tweet saying that all rapists and pedophiles should be castrated and sentenced to death. Now, yesterday or over the weekend, yeah, I'd say over the weekend, someone brought out an old tweet of her, which looked a little bit, I don't know how to put it, but it was wrong, all shades of wrong. And what even busts my brain or what even beats my imagination is she came out with addressing the issue, but she did not apologize. And people are just telling her, Simi, just put the pride away and apologize. But here are some tweets, okay? Now, she said, David, that was in 2023. So it says, David has a crush on me. He keeps coming close, acting like he wants to lock lips in, and then he puts his head on my lip. Should I give him a chance? P.S. He is just 4. And then the other tweet says, I love to kiss the kids at my mom's daycare. They are super adorable and I'm crazy about them. Also, she says, why is this 4-year-old boy trying to put his hand inside my da-da-da-da-da? You better wash it all. And then the last tweet says, I wonder if anyone has ever used breast milk to bake cake before. Now, all these tweets, people are saying that this is coming off very, very weird, especially she saying that she's all about protecting women from, you know, these harmful pedophiles. Well, we saw some updates, and we saw some, you know, things from her, and some things she had to say, saying that she's going to hold herself accountable. But we're yet to see her apologize for all.